like a sacred song. Elijah prayed, the fire came down, a light from heaven, a holy crown. Then Mary came with love so pure, a mother's heart forever sure. She shields the weak, she lifts the small, and gently whispers, trust in God through beloved teachers and all my dear Carmelites.
We not only honor Our Lady of Mount Carmel, but also remember the shining stars of the Carmelite order, the saints who lived the lives of deep prayer, love,
of Avila, a strong and joyful woman who reformed the Carmelite order. She believed that God is found in the silence of our hearts. She reminds us that prayer can change everything, even when the world is noisy.
Now, it's my honor to invite our school principal, Reverend Sister Rostone, a true reflection of Carmel's value, a guiding star to all of us. Her words are a source of inspiration, and her life a beautiful testimony of the mission of our Carmelite family.
Sister Anne's KD headmistress, the school counselors, Sister Ansela and Sister Bridgie, dear teachers, all the non-teaching staff, and my dear students. As we are at the eve of Carmel Day, we witnessed, under the guidance of Jeannie Abraham, 8th class performed the Carmelite spirituality in front of us. Respected sisters, teachers, and my dear students, Carmel Day is a sacred occasion, not just to commemorate our legacy, but to renew our collective commitment to the values our patroness, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, inspires us: faith, humility, obedience, perseverance, and love. Carmel Convent School has always stood a beacon of knowledge and moral strength in the community, grounded in faith, compassion, and academic excellence. Our school nurtures not only the minds but also hearts, shaping the individuals who are strong in character and rich in values. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate 8th class under the guidance of the teachers, Jeannie Abraham, the class teacher, Yeshika, Yashika ma'am, Bharati madam and Hansel, the CV madam, Sunil sir, Rithi madam and Vinita ma'am, and the technical supporters, Nilesh sir and Shailen sir. They all work together for the success of the Carmel Day celebration. I request all of you, give a thunderous clap.